You wanna try driving this jet ski? Yeah, you should try this.
It's okay. I can try next time.
Oh, go, come on.
Wait. Oh, go?
Yeah, I'm gonna jump off. Now you get back on. Damn, that was a slow motion fucking mount, man. What the fuck? I did that dramatically, man. You know what I'm saying? Oh, no, no. Don't go in there.
Don't go in there?
Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck me. What are you doing? Ash. Don't.
Wait, why don't go in here?
Because it's dead end. It's literally land. Go into the fucking ocean. There's so much water behind you. Why would you?
Oh, sorry. Sorry, Benji.
That's okay. Why? This is just why. This is just like the goddamn Jabali. Why would you go into the smallest area? Oh my God! Rocks! Rocks! Don't go on the rocks. Okay.
Benji, I don't want to try.
All right, Ash. Okay, listen. Just go left. Go left. All right. Okay, there's a lot. Why are you going on the rocks? There's an actual ocean. Go right, right, yes, right, okay. Yes, there's a lot of water here. Now left. No, just go. Do not go through those rocks. Go left. Go slowly. Okay, thank God. It's now open ocean. This is very hard to hit anything here.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Holy fuck, this is every time.
Yeah. This is the coolest thing ever.
Yeah. Yo, you gotta watch out for the big waves, okay?
Big waves?
Yeah.
Like you want to find them? Watch out for them? Or?
No, I mean like you could, but I might fly off, man.
Oh, I don't want you to fly off.
All right, come on. Go faster. Go max speed. Come on.
This is a clutch sort of thing?
No, you don't have to clutch it.
That's a boat!
Yeah. Oh shit! Oh!